Hey guys, welcome to our channel India Campus Guru, where we talk about SAP security. We try to teach you, give you tips about SAP security. For now, we may add other areas as well, but because I am a cyber guy, I'm a SAP guy, I'm trying to do whatever I can in limited capacity. So let's begin. Today, we're going to talk about the SAP security patch days as we talk about every month. This is for July last Tuesday, which was July 11th, which was second Tuesday of the month. SAP released their patch days as they do it every second Tuesday, along with other vendors, Microsoft, Google, everybody, Apple, everybody released that. So yeah, so let's have a quick look on July patch days and see what we have got. Okay, so for July, as you can see, it says 11th of July, SAP Security Patch Day saw 16 new security nodes. It means they found new security vulnerabilities in their systems uh, of count of 16. And then they had two updates for previously released security nodes, which we may have earlier released, and but now maybe they have found new issues or new whatever things, so they have done the update. So you still have to go back and review those ones, even though you have applied fixes as per those old security nodes. So let's start from the beginning. I see we have two hot news. One is which have been showing up. I would say, I don't know. I haven't got tired of saying this over and over again. But this is 262.2660, which is an update for us. You can imagine the first time it came was April 2018, and we are in 2013. So almost 5 years or more. No, more than 5 years, right? But this is hot news. If you have this business client with Google Chromium, this product version 6.577.7. This is hot news. It had been showing up, I would say, multiple times since it was first released in 2018 in April. So it seems there is some update, so make sure you go back and review those notes, and if you have this in a landscape, apply, take corrective action based on that. Most probably there is chance you don't have this in a landscape, but maybe there are 10%, 15%. I don't know how many customers are using it, but if you have it, you already fixed the vulnerability as per earlier update. You still have to go back and revisit whatever thing you have to do, okay, on this one. The another hot news, which is CVSS score 9.1. The note number is 3350297. This is about common injection vulnerability in operating system in SAP ECC and S4 HANA for IS oil industry. So if you have this version, which is shown up on the screen, this is again a big one, hot news. Please take corrective actions and talk to your basis and get whatever fix going into your lower tier, and then move into production tier probably with your emergency process. You cannot wait on these hot news and high ones to kind of get into your production or on your landscape following like whatever cadence you have. Make sure you take the corrective actions as per emergency process. Okay, so then I think after hot news we have high. Let's see how many we got. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven highs. If I start with first one, 3331376, the active traversal vulnerability in SAP NetWeaver BI can't add on. Most probably you have this in your landscape. Version 707, 737, 747, 757. The vulnerability score is 8.7, but I would say this is still a big because this is a high. So yeah, have a look, work with your basis, and if you are vulnerable, take corrective actions. The next one, probably most of the SAP customers would be vulnerable because this is about web dispatcher, which is a common thing now. If you have Fiori or anything like you're using a dispatcher to kind of load balance, right, your SAP system. So the note number is 3233899. This is request smuggling and request concatenation vulnerability in SAP web dispatcher. High, the score is 8.6. CBS score is 8.6, and you can see different versions and kernel versions as well. So yeah, probably you are vulnerable for this one and take corrective actions as per this note. The next one is again update to the last month patch day, which came in June. Note number is 3324285. Stored cross-site scripting vulnerability in SAP UI5 variant management. So if you have Fiori UI5 in your landscape, make sure you work with basis, and if you even have applied the fixes or at least working on to move it across, maybe you need to take further action because this is a June update to the June release and patch day. So there will be some extra action you have to do. The next one, I'm just trying to just give you a brief overview. Again, I don't go deep into each node because the corrective actions can be different. I think there have been requests to go deep into these nodes. Probably I should do that, but this is again a basic overview just to make sure you kind of give enough importance to the SAP patch days nodes and see if you're vulnerable, and then you should take any action here. Next high is 3331029, denial of services vulnerability in SAP SQL Anywhere. If you have SAP SQL Anywhere in your landscape, this is high again. Take whatever thing you have to do, either it's configuration fix, it's a node, or it's upgrading the SAP SQL. Probably it's upgrading SAP SQL Anywhere, but yeah, take corrective action as per that. Next one again is Web Dispatcher. So maybe you can club this one with the first one. The node number is 3340735. Memory corruption vulnerability in SAP Web Dispatcher. These are the versions which probably I think all the versions you have. So not you have, like any customer would have, and the S is another high. So yeah, I would maybe club both the Web Dispatcher one into one, apply the fixes, and then move across the landscape. The next remaining two highs are the first one is 3352058, unauthenticated blind SSRF in SAP Solution Manager, which yeah, you have it. Next one is 3348145, header injection in SAP Solution Manager. Yes, you have it. So these two are Solution Manager. The last remaining two high, probably you are vulnerable because this is about 720 version, right? So maybe combine these two again, do apply fixes in your lower tier of Solution Manager, and then move across. This probably is not like your tier 1 system, so maybe you can move or fix this Solution Manager vulnerability maybe quicker than the other ECC or the Web Dispatcher, because that may have some business impact. This is more technical, use for basis of monitoring, and I would say most of the time the technical patching or these things doesn't impact any business functionality. So I think you should be good moving these ones first. If the other ones, you probably have to go and do a lot of testing from business perspective. The remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all medium, no low. Okay, so I think the remaining one are all medium. I'm not going to go into each one, but yeah, I can see there is a for enable now. There is one for SAP ABAP, which probably 3318850. You would be, I guess, susceptible for this vulnerability. This would be applicable for almost every customer. The next one talks about SAP Business Object BI. So if you have Business Object BI, again, BI has been showing up with a lot of high. This may be a new, I would say, patch day where we didn't have any high one for Business Object, but this one is medium. So all the medium one you can club. The other one I see there's ERP Defense, there is AS Java as well, and there is again Business Warehouse BW for HANA. So all the remaining ones not critical, medium one. So you can maybe club this into your regular upgrade or patching cadence. But I would say if you have to take preference or prioritize the fix, I would say focus on the hot news first. If you have those in your landscape, probably you don't, or maybe you have the other one, the CC IS oil one, and then focus on the high, which is Web Dispatcher and the SAP Solution Manager for now. So that's all for July patch days, guys. I was just trying to be quick. As I said, I have been getting a lot of feedback saying to go deep into every node, every vulnerability, which I will try to do it if I get time. But thanks for watching our channel. Thanks for subscribing. Give feedback, keep sharing your feedback, asking for recommend ideas for topic you want to see around SAP security, SAP cyber security, vulnerability management, threat monitoring, and whatnot. So yeah, I think I'm trying to just fill in the gap. You may find a lot of SAP security, but not around the vulnerability management or other piece. So we'll try to do more videos about more of a cyber security around SAP, not just limited to SAP security. So thank you for watching again. Keep learning, guys, and take care and stay healthy. Bye.